Welcome back to the channel, HBNR families. So in this video I'm going to show you how to cut sleeves pattern perfectly for any urban or street wears like t-shirts, polo shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, varsity jackets and so on. So just pay full attention to the video, and you're going to need your sleeves length and the armhole depth of the cloth you want to cut its sleeves, and the chest of the cloth you want to cut its sleeves also. So you need your biceps measurement also. This is your biceps measurement. You are going to place the tape roll around this area and its result is your biceps measurement. So your cap height starts from the joint of your shoulder here down to this area. This is the cap height, and the cap height measurement is the chest of the cloth you want to cut divided by 10. So assuming if my chest is 36, I'm going to divide it by 10. It will give me 3.6. So definitely my cap height is 3.6. So, and also you need your sleeves length. So let's get started and let's see how we are going to cut the sleeves. If you are new on this channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop any video, you will get notified. HBNR. So I'm going to draw a straight line from my starting point. And after drawing the straight line, I'm going to find my sleeve cap height by dividing my chest measurement by 10. So my chest measurement is 36. So I'm going to divide 36 by 10. It gives me 3.6. So I'm going to measure 3.6 here. I'm going to do the same thing here. So after that, I'm going to apply my armhole depth of the cloth I want to cut its sleeves. So the armhole depth is 8 inches. I'm going to apply it here. So I'm going to draw a straight line from the armhole depth like this. After that, I'm going to form a slant line to connect to the first line I wrote. And after that, I'm going to measure the slant line and I'm going to find its center. So it is 9 inches and the center of 9 inches is 4.5. So I'm going to find the center and I'm going to mark it. So I'm going to mark 0.5 here, and also I'm going to mark 0.5 here also. After that, I'm going to place my French curve on it like this. So I'm going to apply my sleeve length. My sleeve length is 8.5, so I'm going to add extra 1 inches for the hemming allowance. I'm going to mark same thing here. So my sleeve open is 6.5 and I'm going to add extra 0.5 to it. So I marked 7 inches. And I'm going to connect those marked lines together. And I'm going to place my French curve to link it up like this. And after that, our sleeves cutting is done. So let's check if it's accurate. So I'm going to take the measurement of the sleeve here. So it's equivalent to 9.5 inches. It's equivalent to 9.5 inches. Now let's measure the armhole depth of the pattern as well. It also equivalent to 9.5 inches. So definitely our sleeve cutting is accurate. If you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Thanks.